Good morning. Welcome to the pre-market report on 28th of October 2022. So this is the fresh expiry, that is the starting November expiry. Yesterday, October expiry has been closed, the less volatility, and now from today it's the November expiry. Okay. So if you look at the global cues, XGX Nifty is actually indicating around 50 to 60 points of gap up when compared to yesterday's closing. But if you see yesterday, actually XGX Nifty is indicating around 200 to 250 points of gap up. But when our markets open, it couldn't happen. It's actually open around 100 to 120 points. And it is not moving much. It is just trading in and around. So it is not actually following XGX Nifty. So even maybe I'm expecting a flat opening market today, and expected like the movement will be exactly like up and down. It will not move much. So because even if you see open interest, so open interest also like that, like there is no call and put buying. So we can see a lot of unwinding. I'll show you. At the same time, India VIX is around 16.59 here. India VIX around 16.59. So again, if the market is keep on like started moving bullish, so this may come down further. So the volatility will be very, very less. Okay. So if you see open interest, so for Nifty, so now it is the fresh expiry. See, you can see lot of put rating is there. At the same time here, you can see some call buying up to 18,200. Okay, so this shows the market is slightly it is bullish up to 18,200, but maybe I'm expecting 100 to 200 points movement, because usually if the Thursday is not moving much, then it is expected the market will move on Friday. Okay, so this is the case of Nifty. Okay, so they think like this expiry will not go beyond 18,300. That's why we can see a lot of call ratings. Okay, so similarly in case of Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty this week expiry can see the calls buying up to 43,000. Okay, so a lot of put rating is there. So as it is like similar by past week, so it shows like market is bullish. Okay, so market is bullish. We'll see the Nifty levels. So here already the Nifty has broken the triangle pattern, expected to move. So the once Nifty broken the resistance zone, that is daily resistance zone 17,877. So the next resistance will be almost all-time high. If you see intraday, so intraday will be like market has to break 17,876, or you can say round figure 17,900. So then it may be unstoppable for some time, or it may break 18,000. So expected that could happen at least by today or Monday. The market should break 18,000. Okay, so the same case in case of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty should cross like 42,000. It is like a huge resistance. Okay, so Bank Nifty should cross 42,000. So then it will be a bullish one. If it see in intraday time frame, so 41,734, it's a strong like 41,500 itself, a strong base like resistance. So it should break this triangle pattern in intraday time frame. Once it's broken, so you can see like 42,000. Once the 42,000 is broken, you can see 43,000. Okay, so as like most of the like analyzers, everything they keep on posting, the Nifty may reach 20 or 21,000. But it may happen like the global cues should support. Global cues should support for the market movement. like in the terms of war. Yesterday, like we got US GDP is positive news. So expected the market will be bullish today. Okay. So you can go for bull call spread, and it may be a profitable one, or you can go for a good one, calendar spread. Okay. So yes, that's all about today. So expected to market to go open. I had taken position in Vedanta Limited. I'll show you. So I had taken position in Vedanta Limited. That is expected, result is expected, I think by today. Yes, today result is expected. Sorry. So my view is bullish view in Vedanta, like expected to reach 300. So for that case, I had taken 300 call option. I bought 300 call option and I sold 315 call option for as a hedge. And my risk will be of 6,000 and my profit will be of 15,000. Okay, so I'll not carry much. I'm taking this November expiry. I'll not carry much. So expected to close maybe within a period of 1 week next week. I'm planning to close. Okay, so hope you enjoyed watching this video. Okay, so if you like this video, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates about the stock market news. Okay, so regarding workshops, stock market workshops, details will be given in website address given in description, and soon we'll start launching our I'm already app is ready. So I'm working on courses, like I'm providing a best courses that you can find in this market. So like this, I'm planning to, I'm just preparing the course content. Okay, so it will be launched on 6th of December. Okay, so I need like this month time to prepare a valuable and superb course content to make you as a successful trader. Okay, so Telegram channel is given in description. Okay, you can make use of it for joining. Okay, so Allies do free demat and trading account link is given in description. You can make use of it. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. So we'll meet again in another pre-market report. Hopefully, if in case of any like good stocks, then we'll meet in that video. Thank you for watching.